Prepare to be amazed at the result. So, what are you waiting for? Put on your workout gear and let's start. Exercise number 1, plank. Never underestimate the power of a well-done plank. It improves your posture, makes you forget about the back pain, and overall makes you stronger by working different muscles. Just what you need in a fight with side fat. Place your forearms on the ground so that your arms will be parallel to your body and your elbows will be placed right below your shoulders. Keep your back completely straight and hold this position. Just as simple as that. So, is everything clear? Then let's begin. Don't forget that if you can either place your palms on the floor or clasp your hands together while doing the plank, it wouldn't hurt the effectiveness of an exercise. Plank is one of those rare exercises that gives you amazing results, even if you do it 1 minute a day. It works your biceps as well as neck and shoulder muscles, and in the long run, builds up your core strength. How are you feeling, by the way? Hold this plank. There's only a couple of seconds left. And it's done. What an incredible beginning. It's time to see what's next. Exercise number 2, bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are considered to be one of the top most effective abs exercises. And it's not only your abs that are working, your thighs also have a nice train. Regular workouts with this kind of crunches included leave you with no side fat. Start with laying on the ground and placing your hands behind your head. Then, raise your legs and start to touch your right elbow to your left knee, while keeping your right leg straight and off the ground and vice versa. As you can see from this exercise and its name, it's pretty similar to riding a bike. Now, let's get to the practice. Don't forget about your neck. While you're doing bicycle crunches, lift it off the ground and keep it still to avoid discomfort and pain. Control your breathing and don't rush. Let your body process things a bit slower and get proper training for all the muscles. Three, two, one. Well done! Exercise number 3, side plank. And we're back to the plank. We just can't get enough of it. Fun is fun, but side plank is quite underrated, which is surprising because it works a vital muscle called quadratus lumborum muscle. And without further ado, let's just get to it. You should start this exercise on your side, putting your legs together and making sure your forearm is exactly below your shoulder. Then, raise your body off the ground and make it a straight line from your head to your toes. Hold this position. Get ready, we're setting the clock. Begin. The best timing for side plank is 2 or more minutes. Don't go way too crazy though. 4 minutes is a maximum amount of time that will give you a lifelong title of the queen or the king of a side plank. We're definitely aiming for that, right? A couple more seconds. There you go. Now you're one step closer to a perfect and flat belly and being a side plank loyalty. And we're moving along. Exercise number 4, leg lifts. Leg lifts is another great way to give a good training your abdominal muscles and is ranked as one of the most effective abs exercises. So, when you're dealing with side fat, this exercise is essential for your daily workouts. See it for yourself. Lie on your back with your legs straight and place your hand under your bum. And here comes the hard part. You have to lift your legs as high as you possibly can and then lower them down again, but without touching the floor. It's going to be challenging, but we will get through it, right? The clock is ready. Go! Make sure you're keeping your legs straight while you're doing this exercise. Leg lifts will help you have a fat-free belly. Plus, they also have a great effect on your posture. Keep going. You're doing a great job. And the time's up. Take a deep breath and let's move along. Exercise number 5, Russian twists. Yes, the name of this last but not least exercise is kind of strange, but the results it will give you are still exceptional. Russian twists work all of your abdominal muscles and are purely magic at burning side fat. Now let's see how exactly it's done. First and foremost, it's better to do this exercise in front of your couch or your bed. The starting position is lying down with your knees bent and your feet under this couch or bed. Then, lift your upper body exactly that it would make a 45-degree angle to the ground while holding your arms straightly together and clasping your hands. Twist your torso to the right side until your arms are parallel to the ground. Hold this position for about 5 seconds and return to the start. Repeat the same algorithm for your left side, then back to the right side, and so on. So, are you ready? It's time to start. Control your back while you're doing this exercise. It shouldn't be rounded. Russian twists is a wonderful way to stay in shape and get rid of the love handles. It strengthens the oblique muscles on the sides of your abdomen, which is exactly what we need. Breathe in and out. We're almost there. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. That's it for the exercising. I'm so proud of you. Shall we do this one more time? You can now sit back and relax, as we are going to tell you about a couple of small things you can do to reduce side fat, in addition to the exercise routine we just did. If you will stick to the workout and follow these simple rules, you would definitely kiss side fat goodbye. Number 1, reduce the number of calories you're consuming. At the end of the day, if you want to have a perfect result at burning side fat, you should definitely change things up in your menu. Your eating habits highly influence your weight and physique, and even though exercising on its own will give you good results, it still won't remove this issue. Try to replace high-calorie dishes and food with low-calorie ones, and you'll already see the difference. Sweets and other products that are high in sugar should be excluded from your ration as well. Don't forget about eating fruit and vegetables. There are also products that do a great job at burning fat, simply because they increase your metabolism. Among them are whole grains, low-fat dairies, and hot peppers. Just take a look at what you eat every day and make some changes for the best. Number 2. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is one of the essential nutrients, and the thing is, your body stimulates more hunger when there's not enough of it. So basically, flaxseed oil gives you that great feeling of being full, so you won't feel the need to eat more than you already did. As you can probably guess, it results in a certain weight loss. Flaxseed oil also improves your metabolism and splits fats quite rapidly. You can buy it in bottles or find another option that you will find much more suitable, depending on your preferences. It is recommended to take 1 teaspoon every morning. You can also use it for salad dressings and mix it up with lemon juice. Number 3. Reduce the consumption of the alcohol. A lot of us want to unwind after a long, hard day, watching a movie or some TV show with a glass of wine. Yes, it's an appealing image, but actually, alcohol is no good for you, especially when you're trying to lose weight and burn unnecessary fat. A glass of wine, along with the beer, has over 100 calories. Now, try to calculate how many calories you gain when you're chilling after work or going out on the weekends with your friends. So all the work you're doing with the exercising and changing your eating habits are crossed out by the alcohol. Just keep that in mind while you're on your way to your dream weight and figure. Most of the time, side fat is usually the first one to appear on your body and the last one to go. That's why it can be challenging to reduce it completely. But there's nothing impossible, and regular work both on your body and on your menu will make it happen. Just be determined and patient, and you will get there. Do you have a story of our own on what helped you do away with side fat? Share them with us in the comments below.